Good evening, Mahaganadhipataye Namah. Good evening to all. Good evening, Mahaganadhipataye. Advance Happy Teachers Day. ఒరే ఇట్లా ఉట్టినే చెప్తే ఎట్లాగరా? ఉట్టినే చెప్తే ఎట్లాగా? జీడిపప్పు, పిస్తా పప్పు, బాదం పప్పు, ఇంకే పప్పులు ఉంటే ఆ పప్పులన్నీ తీసుకొచ్చి ఒక కేజీ యాపిల్ పళ్ళు, దానిమ్మ పళ్ళు, జామ పళ్ళు అదో కేజీ పట్టుకొచ్చి అప్పుడు చెప్పాలి అవి. Soheli told me that she hates me like anything in the morning today. అబ్బా సార్ తక్కువ బుల్లెట్ దెబ్బలు పడతాయి. అదేం పాట? అది ఏం పాట? అది బుల్లెట్ మీద ఒక పాట ఉంది, ఏమిటది? నిర్మా, వాషింగ్ పౌడర్ నిర్మా, వాషింగ్ పౌడర్ నిర్మా, వాషింగ్ పౌడర్ నిర్మా, వాడే వారి కర్మ. బుల్లెట్ బండి కరెక్ట్. హలో, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, వెల్కమ్ టు చిరంజీవి టాక్స్ ఆన్ వేదిక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. You said me to tell. Yes, I told. Yes, you are right. Jahnavi, mind your language. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to sing 4 songs, right? 4 songs. 1 Hindi, 3 Telugu. Good evening, Jita. Jita, good evening. Yeah, after your dispersal. When I'm going to sing after your dispersal. But in the class tomorrow I'll sing a song for you people. No devotional, mass masala. Aruna 10B. Okay, good. Take a video and upload. Yes, I'll do that, Snigdha. I'll do that. Hey, Priya, what is that sentence you told me in the morning? Erikinge. Eppudu erikinge. What is that? Yeah. What is that, Priya? Eppudu erikinge. No, it was I voice recorder. I did that one. Eppudu erikinge is the right last sentence. Eppudu erikinge. Yeah, I saved it on my phone. Yes. Eppudu erikinge. What is the beginning? What is the beginning, Priya? What is the beginning? Eppudu erikinge. What is the beginning of it? Nirma Chaudhary, tomorrow you bring 1.5 kg or 2 kgs of jeedipappu for me. Right, Nana, come first now. Okay, Tanmay, good evening. Today I could not get you, sir. There. See, the sentence, what is the total sentence I'm asking? What are you trying to say? Just about that sentence that you told in the class today, Tamil sentence. What is the beginning of it? I'm asking. Right? Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good evening to all. Don't cry, Nirma. Don't cry. Bring only 1 kg, not 1.5 kg. Okay? Okay. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a, b, c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. A must not be equal to 0. This is the condition. A, B, C are real numbers. Keep that one in the mind, children. A, B, C are real numbers. That means you can get real numbers, rationals or irrationals, or both in the place of A, B, C. I'll give you some example. You may get problems like this: x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, or you may get problems like this: x square plus 3 root 3 x plus 6 is equal to 0. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you? நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? எப்படி நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Okay. Andhra Pradesh 10th syllabus లో ఉన్న ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి సార్. Who is this? Actually, I don't have the textbook. If you send me that, I'll tell you that. No problem in that. Please tell your name. Right. Now, what we are going to do in this chapter? Number 1, we are going to find out the zeros of the given quadratic equation using different methods. We are going to find out the zeros of the quadratic equation using different methods. What are the methods we have? 1, splitting the middle term. Finding the zeros using splitting the middle term. And second one, quadratic formula. Finding the zeros using quadratic formula. Okay. So these are the two important concepts that we have. And third concept is nature of roots, which is very, very important, and you may get problems on this more. Nature of roots. Nature of roots. And fourth one, word problems. And fifth one, we need to practice not only in this chapter, we need to practice objective type questions in all the topics. Okay na? If time permits. But children, if time permits, I'll go ahead with the objectives also. But if not, already in my channel, objectives videos are there in live stream, last year live stream from R.S. Agarwal. R.S. Agarwal All the objective questions I have discussed already last year. You may go through those videos. Telugulo cheppandi sir. May I know your name please and where are you from? మీ పేరు తెలుసుకోవచ్చా అండి? Okay. Now, first we'll try to find out the zeros using splitting the middle term concept. Ready? Surely I'll try, ma'am. Ma'am, or boy or a girl, I don't know. In both languages, I'll try to explain because my children, they understand only English and some are there. Yeah, first problem, I'll go ahead with irrational coefficients. Find the zeros of 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, children. Four x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Finding the zeros. Children, if you are very much confident on doing splitting the middle term, go ahead with that. Splitting the middle term lo మేము కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఉన్నాము, మాకు తెలుసు బాగా ఇది, we know it very well అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు, those who believes like that, go ahead with the splitting the middle term చేయండి. ఓకేనా? Otherwise go ahead with the quadratic formula. Which is easy. Okay, so first we'll try with the splitting the middle term. Okay, first step 1, multiply the coefficient of x square with constant including symbol. That is step 1. Multiply coefficient of x square with constant including symbol. 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3 minus 24. It is minus 24. Okay na? 4 2s are 8. Root 3 into root 3, root 9, which is 3. So 8 3s are 24. Now, try to write irrational coefficient, means we need to search for two numbers. మనకి రెండు నెంబర్లు కావాలి ఇక్కడ. Product is negative 24. And sum is positive 5. Product is negative 24. Fast. I want two numbers. Very good, Bhashita. Good. Positive 8 into negative 3. Good. So 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, from the first two terms we can take 4x common. Okay na? First two terms నుంచి 4x common తీయచ్చు. And what is remaining? Root 3x plus 2. Now, from the second two terms we can take negative root 3 common. Children, don't forget that 3 we can write root 3 into root 3. 3 ని ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు? root 3 into root 3 రాయొచ్చు. Keep that one in the mind. We can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. Okay. So we can take root 3 common. So if from 3, if I take root 3 common, one more root 3 will be there. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. X minus 2. No, not minus. We have taken minus common na, plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, root 3x plus 2 into 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Then x will be negative 2 by root 3. And here x will be root 3 by 4. So these two are the zeros. Are unde zeros. Okay na? Oka 0, negative 2 by root 3. One 0 is negative 2 by root 3. And the other 0 is root 3 by 4. Okay. Good. So can I go ahead with the next problem? Is that understood? For suppose a problem was given like this: 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0, and he is asking to find out zeros. If the problem is like this, ఒకవేళ problem ఇలా ఉంటే, children, don't use splitting the middle term concept over here, because it kills your time. వస్తుంది కానీ you will get the answer, but it will kill your time. Don't go with splitting the middle term. Use quadratic formula. Understood? Use quadratic formula. Okay na? Now, a is 4, b is negative 4a, c is a square minus b square. Okay? But one more point that you have to keep in mind, that whenever you are using quadratic formula, first find out the discriminant. Quadratic formula use chese mundu first discriminant try cheyandi. Discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac na? So do that one first. B square minus 4 into a into c. Simplify this. 16a square minus 16 into a square minus b square. 16a square minus 16a square plus 16b square. ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. సో d is 16b square. d is 16b square. ఓకేనా? Now, what is quadratic formula? Minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now write down the quadratic formula. ఇప్పుడు రాయండి quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. ఇందాక ఎవరో తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పండి అన్నారు. ఉన్నారా ఆవిడ లేరా? Okay, let it be. Now substitute the values. Minus b. b is negative 4a. Minus b means minus of minus 4a plus r minus b square minus 4ac value 16b square by 2a. a is 4. So minus of minus 4a plus r minus 4b by 8. 4a minus 4b by 8. Now simplify it and tell me the ending answer, children. Simplify and tell me the end answer, last answer. Very important model nana, chala important model idi. ఇలాంటి మోడల్ వస్తే స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్ యూస్ చేయొద్దు. డోంట్ యూస్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్. గో అహెడ్ విత్ ద క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా. Simplify and tell me the answers. A plus b by 2. Take 4 common. A plus r minus b by 8. 2. So x will be a plus r minus b by 2. A plus r minus b by 2. That means one 0 is a plus b by 2, the other 0 is a minus b by 2. Very good, very good. Good. Now is that understood? Is that understood, children? అర్థమైందా? ఓకే. సో అర్థమైంది అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి you are saying that we understood that. I am going to give you one more problem like this. Ready? 9x square minus 6b square x minus a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to 0. Make it fast. Do this problem, children. So many people are saying yes, yes, yes. Do this. What is a? B minus 6b square. C is negative of a power 4 minus b power 4. A 9. A is 9. B is negative 6b square. And C is negative of a power 4 minus b power 4. Even you can write this one as b power 4 minus a power 4 after opening the brackets. B square minus 4ac minus 6b square whole square minus 4 into 9 into b power 4 minus a power 4. Tell me the simplification at the end. What we have seen, what we got at the end. This is 36b power 4 minus 36 into b power 4 minus a power 4. Yeah, good. 36b power 4 minus 36b power 4 plus 36a power 4. 36b power 4 is wrong, Snigdha and Soheli. It is wrong. You will be left with 36a power 4. Take this one, because I made minus a power 4 plus b power 4 na. So these two get cancelled. 36a power 4. Now quadratic formula. Minus b minus half minus 6b square plus or minus root over 36a power 4 by 2 into 9. Hmm. 6b square plus or minus 6a square by 36. So final answer is b square plus a square by 3. 3 or 6, right? I think it is 6. We can take 6 common, na? No, not 6. 6 common. 1, 6. B square plus a square by plus or minus a square by 6, na? 2 9 are 18. Ekkada? Oh, okay. Good. 18. 3 times. Good. అంటే భాషిత నువ్వు సరిగ్గా చూస్తున్నావా లేదా అని నేను చెక్ చేశాను. Yes, you are following good. You are doing good. Yeah, you know distractions. Yes. Bhashita, no distraction. So problems like this, don't proceed with splitting the middle term concept. Proceed with quadratic formula. Okay, na? The central idea of the concept I told you. Next one. Next model. We have to discuss about discriminant. Did anything is there in your mind about discriminant? ఏమైనా ఉందా మైండ్ లో discriminant గురించి? What you say about D? About D, children. D may be greater than 0, D may be equal to 0, D may be less than 0. Is that right? D అనేది greater than 0 అవ్వచ్చు, equal to 0 అవ్వచ్చు, less than 0 అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకేనా? If D is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. The roots, the zeros are real zeros and distinct zeros. If discriminant is greater than 0. If it is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If the discriminant is less than 0, roots, no real roots. No real roots or no real zeros, or you can say imaginary zeros. Okay, na? Imaginary zeros. So, we need to test in the beginning of the problem only whether the given quadratic equation is having real zeros or not. ఇచ్చిన క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి రియల్ జీరోస్ ఉంటాయా ఉండవా చెక్ చేసుకుని అప్పుడు ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వాలి. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొసీడ్. ఓకేనా? ఈజ్ దట్ అండర్స్టూడ్? గుడ్. సో దీని మీద బేసింగ్ ఆన్ దిస్ there are very very important problems. We'll see that. We'll see one problem now. Yeah. Yeah. Find the value of k for which the roots of the equation kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 are equal. Given that this quadratic equation is having equal roots, equal zeros. It is given. Try to understand the question properly. It is given that this particular quadratic equation is having equal zeros. It is having equal zeros. That means b square minus 4ac is 0. Take it granted. Try to understand the concept, children. ముందు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇచ్చిన ఈ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి జీరోస్, రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి. Zeros are real and equal. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And we need to find out k value. మనం k value కనుక్కోవాలి. First, multiply this kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. If you simplify the equation, what will get? Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, what is a? What is b? And what is c? Note it down. ak, b minus 2k, c 6. Now, substitute the values. Insert the values and tell me the k value, children. Insert the values. Fast. Insert the values of a, b, c in the discriminant is equal to 0 and tell me the value of k. Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. This will be 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. After this, Sadil says k6, k0 also. Very good. You observe this one. You observe this one. The last step. We got an equation over here. Is that right? I think it is quadratic equation. Is that right? ఇది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కదా, అంటే కేకి ఒక వాల్యూ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, రెండు వాల్యూస్ రావాలి కదా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే బోత్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ విల్ డిసైడ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఫిట్ ఫర్ కే. సో టేక్ 4k కామన్. 4k common, we will get k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k 0, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So here k 0 or k 6. Now we got two values for k. We got two values for k, but if you take k 0, if you take k 0, what happens? If you take k 0, 0 into x square 0, 2 into 0 into x 0, and you will be remaining with only 6. Then we cannot say it as a quadratic equation. Okay na? If k is 0, then the given one is not a quadratic equation. So don't consider k value 0. Only k is 6. Not linear. మనకు కాన్స్టెంటే మిగులుతుంది, ఇంకేం మిగలదు. విల్ బి లెఫ్ట్ విత్ ఓన్లీ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? Okay, that's all for today. And there are more problems on this discriminant, very very good problems. We'll see those problems day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have a class. Tomorrow, as we are, all the teachers are having a stay night at our school, so we don't have class tomorrow, but we'll have class on 5th September. So that day we'll see more problems on this discriminant concept. Okay, so like this video, click on like button everyone, then leave the class. Thank you very much. Click on the like button and leave the class. Good. Thank you.